Ready, everyone?
So yeah, we're sorted food.
Who are these four little twerps?
The guys from Sorted Food, Mike, Jamie, Ben, and Barry.
The British culinary stars.
One of the most popular cooking shows on the YouTube.
It's ridiculous.
Thinking back, like, how did we get here?
Dame Emma Thompson.
This Jamie.
We never set out with this in mind.
I'd love to say there was a plan.
It's madness when you think about it.
And then out of nowhere, there's a community.
We're able to do things we've never imagined every single day.
I think when we all looked at our lives, none of us thought this is what we would be doing.
We've known each other since we were 11.
After school, we all went our own ways.
University, jobs.
So Jamie took a marketing degree. 5 apples for a pound!
Mike stayed on at the school to eventually become a teacher.
What did Barry do? Good question.
What did Barry do?
He was a photographer, ski instructor.
Ben was training to be a chef.
It was a semester break. We were all back home in our hometowns, the local pub that we'd been to countless times before.
We couldn't cook, so Ben wrote down a really simple recipe, I think it was for pasta, on the back of a beer mat whilst we were sat in the pub.
And that's where the idea started.
We picked up a camera, filmed each other learning how to cook, then just chucked it on YouTube.
You've got to remember, this is when YouTube was pretty much made up of cat videos.
No one was doing this kind of thing.
And then out of nowhere, from literally all over the world, people started watching.
The community just grew.
We got so many requests for different recipes, different tips and tricks.
You've got to try this.
You need to go here.
This is how my grandma does it.
And then we saw them talking to each other on other areas of the internet.
It was the catalyst that brought people together around food.
And really, nothing's changed. The philosophy is exactly the same as it was.
Just a bunch of mates having fun, talking about food.
This thing brought us together, but it does actually keep us together as well. Now it's time to crank it up a notch.